In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix Hyper-V copy-paste not working between host and guest virtual machines on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Let's get started. Go to Hyper-V Virtual Machine Manager. Click on Hyper-V settings on upper right corner. Now click on Enhance Session Mode Policy and then click on Allow Enhance Session Mode. Click on Apply. Click on Enhance Session Mode and then click on Use Enhance Session Mode and then click on Apply. That's it. From now, you can easily copy and paste files, folders, and text from Hyper-V Virtual Machine to host machine or from host machine to Hyper-V Virtual Machine. This is the easiest way to fix Hyper-V copy-paste not working between host and guest virtual machines. That's it.